Hello everyone, this is Chris with BackLinks Genie. This video will walk you through the process of building projects using an Express Mode Active No campaign. This is step 3 of building projects in the Genie. The first step in the process is to add a client. Step 2 is to add an Express Mode Active No campaign. There are videos in the Help tab that will walk you through the first 2 steps. First, you have to understand why you would use a campaign that has Express Mode deactivated. When you build projects using an Express Mode Active No campaign, you have total control of how your projects are built. We have worked to cut out any unnecessary steps, but there is more involved with building projects this way. Express Mode No campaigns allow you to do the following things. Choose the specific URLs and keywords you want to use in your projects. Scrape and spin your own content. Add your own custom content to a project. Add custom blog comments or select the standard comments. Have the system add your URL and keywords to your article using a URL feature. Add custom images and YouTube videos to your content and spin all of it. Express Mode deactivated campaigns must be manually scheduled. Express Mode deactivated campaigns allow you to have total control. However, the average user will find themselves using Express Mode Active Yes campaigns more than Express Mode No. Now let's get started by logging into your control panel. In the upper right hand corner you will see a box called Campaigns and Clients. In that box you will want to click on List Campaigns and find the campaign that you want to work with. You must first select your client and then click on Edit when you find the campaign you want to work with. At the top of the page you will now see 3 tabs. Click on the New Project tab. This is where you're going to be doing all of the work today. First, give your project a name. Now select the type of project that you want to run. For the first part of this video, we're going to work on a blast project. So let's check blog comments. Below the projects list, you will see URLs and anchors. You will click on the arrow next to URLs and anchors. You will now be telling the system what URLs and keywords you want to use for your projects. You now can either select Use Them All or check the specific URL and keywords that you want to use. Now we click on the arrow next to Project Details and tell the system whether you want to use generic or custom comments. The average user will just use generic comments. But if you want to enter custom comments, you'll enter them in this box. Now just hit Submit Project and this project is ready to be scheduled. Now let's go back and build a content related project. Give the project a name and then check off the project type that you want to run. For this example, we'll build a 2.0 project. Just check the 2.0 project type and select your URLs as you did earlier. Now you'll click on the arrow next to Project Details. You will now be telling the system how you want it to get your articles. You have 2 options. One is Search for Articles. The other is Let me enter my articles. Let's start with Search for Articles. Click on the Search for Article button and then enter your search term in the box above the Find Article button. For the sake of this example, we'll enter backlink and hit Find Articles. Here is a helpful tip. When you enter search terms in the box, it is best to use more generic search terms. This will yield a higher variety of articles. The system will return up to 25 articles for any specific search term. To preview the articles, just click on the article title and the article will open up in a new window. Now just select any and all articles you want to use in this project. Now let's look at the other option for entering articles in your projects. Check the box next to Let me enter my own articles. For most of the content related projects in the Genie, the link to your site will be in the article itself. Article directories are the exception to this rule. Most article directories do not allow links in the article. However, they do allow links in the resource box. You would just write a brief description in the resource box and then include your link. You then spin this information using the spin button. When you select this option, you can input articles several different ways into this screen. You can scrape and spin articles using our article scraper. You can copy and paste a unique article that you have written and use the auto spin feature to spin the article. You can copy and paste a unique article that you have written that is already spun. There are also other functions that you do with Express Mode No campaigns. You can add one or more YouTube videos to your articles and spin them. You can also add one or more images to your articles and spin them. Let's get started by adding a title to our article. Now spin the title using Spin Title using Free Spinner or Spin Title using the Best Spinner. Select your quality and hit spin and send to project. Now let's scrape an article. Click on the Scrape Article button. The scraper will pull up in a new window. Enter your search term in the subject box and click on Scrape Article. For the sake of this example, let's enter backlink and hit Scrape Article. If you like the article, just click on the Send to Project button. If you want to find another article, just hit the Scrape Article button again. Now to spin the article, click on one of the Spin Article buttons. Select your quality. Also, if you do not want to spin a specific word in the article, just enter the word or term in the Protect Terms box, and the spinner will not spin that specific word. Now hit spin. If you like the look of the spin, just hit the Send to Project button. To use the Best Spinner button, you must first have a Best Spinner account and then enter your Best Spinner username and password in the third-party API section of your account management tab. Now let's add some images to this article. Click on the Scrape Image button. The image scraper will pull up in a new window. Now all you do is enter the search term and hit Scrape Image. Check off the images that you want to use and hit Insert Checked Images into Article. You can select one image or multiple images. You will do the same procedure with scraping YouTube videos. Now to spin the images, all you will need to do is put a bracket in front of the first image, then a pipe behind that image, and then behind the last image you will put another bracket. Between each of the images, make sure to have a pipe. The same process will be done for spinning your YouTube videos. So your videos will be between brackets and separated by a pipe. Let's say that you have a previously run content project. You want to run links back to the URLs that were run in that previous project. You would just click on the Link Back to Another Project button. Select the project that you want to run links to. Enter a keyword. And hit the Link Project to Article. The system will then locate that previous project and point links to those URLs. Now let's talk about adding your link to your article. The first step is to find the word or words that you want to link. We have now added a very cool feature that allows you to insert a token in your article. This will tell the system to select from the keywords and URLs that you have built in this campaign. It will then insert them wherever you have added the $URL token. If you are not using the token system, then you have to link the keywords in your articles manually. This can be done by highlighting the word that you want to hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink button and enter your URL in the link URL box. Click Insert, and that is now hyperlinked. If you wanted to spin multiple keywords, you would insert the keywords, just type them in manually, separate them by pipes, and have them in between brackets. You then highlight the word that you want to hyperlink and click on the hyperlink button and add your URL and click Update. Select your next word, hit the hyperlink button, and update. You've now spun multiple keywords. Once you have everything added to the article that you want, make sure to hit the preview article button multiple times. You can now hit the submit project button, and this project is ready to be scheduled.